بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. إخواني في الله, Allah يبارك فيكم. Today is Thursday, and we want to end this week with a couple of drills that we are very familiar with. So we have the story here, and we're going to change it to the pronoun anti. Anti. We did the first half, right? We did the first half yesterday. We're going to do the second half, and then we're also going to change it to ana. We're going to change it to ana. But let's finish the second half. We're going to take our time. These are issues of drills. These are just drills that we're doing, and it prepares us to conjugating the verb in a practical manner, in practical sentences. That's where we are. Let's make this page a little bigger, and let's do what we have to do. Let's do our work. Okay, we're going to read each sentence 2 times. We're going to read each sentence 2 times so we clearly understand what we're doing. Bismillah. 1, 2, 3. وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. Again, we're doing anti. We're changing this to anti. Again. وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. So waqafat is going to remain waqafat because it's talking about the bus stop. So it's still going to stand waqafat. I mean, she waqafat. I mean, the bus. Are you all with me? No. So that verb is not going to change. That verb is not going to change. Okay, good. Again, let's read that same line. وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. One more time. وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. Okay, let's read the whole next sentence. أنت رفعت يدك في الدرس وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطلاب. This word قام is going to change to قمت. Okay, and let's look real quickly at how this verb يتصرف. Okay, how this verb changes. Okay, and this is a strange verb, but you know, you might not be familiar how this verb changes. But I don't know if is there a chart that shows this? Inshallah. Right, this verb has. Let's look at this real quick. Okay, we have. Y'all bear with me, and we want to look at this real quickly. هو قام. Okay. هي قامت. Okay, let's go to هم. هم قاموا. Is this clear here? هو قام. هي قامت. هم قاموا. Okay. Now, barakallahu fikum, on these other verbs, like anta wa anti wa ana wa nahnu, we have to put a sukoon on the last letter. We have to put a sukoon, like we say nazalti wa dakhalti. We have to put a sukoon on the last letter. Are you with me? You have to put a sukoon on the last letter and add the ta. Naam. But we're going to have a problem. We put a sukoon on the last letter. The middle letter already has a sukoon. The middle letter already has a sukoon. So we have 2 problems. We're going to have the meeting of 2 sukoons, and we can't have that. Okay? So we have Ana. Originally it's qumtu. Originally it's qumtu. Okay. But then we're going to switch it to, it's going to change to, qumtu. It's really qumtu, but we can't have a sukoon on the wow and a sukoon on the meme, so the wow gets dropped and it's ana qumtu. Ana qumtu. You understand that? I just want to so you understand why it's like that. You understand why, not what it is, but just why it is also. And you say anta qumta, okay, and then it's going to change to qumta. Anta qumta. Anta qumta. Naam. We understand that. It's really qumta. Naam. Okay. And let's just go continue one more. Well, anti qumti. And that's going to change it to qumti. Anti qumti. Wa nahnu qumna. And we can't have a meme sukoon and a waw sukoon. So that's going to change to nahnu qumna. La yaltiqa sakinain. I don't know. It's not liyaltaqa yaltaqi sakin. That's not it. Iltiqa sakinain. But I'm not saying the thing in Arabic because we're not there yet. I'm not going to say it in Arabic because we're not there yet. You know, we're not there. The word is iltiqa. It means to meet. I write it for you. So yeah, well, like we're not there yet. So I wouldn't like oppress you by mentioning it and you don't see it. Okay. But the word is iltiqa as-sakinaini. This is the word. Iltiqa as-sakinain. You know the word, barakallahu fikum, at the end of the word, it has laqiya astiqa'ahu. Right? That came in the book. Laqiya. Laqiya means to meet, and this is where iltiqa comes from. Laqiya means to meet, and this is where iltiqa as-sakinain. It means meeting. The two sukoons are meeting up. Iltiqa as-sak. I don't know why it came out backwards like this. I don't know why. There it goes. Iltiqa. I don't know why it's coming out backwards, but anyway, it's iltiqa as-sakinain. I have no idea why it's coming out backwards, but that's not our point. Let me mention something else before we begin. This verb here, this verb has the verb. Let's just move on. We don't want to get distracted. So let's talk over here again. Thumma anti rafa'ti yadaki fi ad-dars wa qumti wa qara'ti min kitabiki amam at-tullab. Let's just read that. Okay? Again. Anti rafa'ti yadaki fi ad-dars wa qumti wa qara'ti min kitabiki amam at-tullab. Again. Anti rafa'ti yadaki fi ad-dars وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطلاب. And you could say أمام الطالبات if you wanted to, because it's a woman. أمام الطالبات, because it's a woman. Again, أنت رفعت يدك في الدرس وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطالبات. How we doing? Everything is clear. Everything is all right. Are we going too fast? Okay. Okay, good. Right. Again. Anti rafa'ti yadaki fit dars. Let's go over that again. Anti rafa'ti yadaki fit dars. Because we're doing anti. We're changing huwa to anti. Anti rafa'ti yadaki fit dars. You raised your hand in the class. Anti rafa'ti yadaki fit dars. Again, anti rafa'ti yadaki fit dars. Wa qumti, you stood up. Wa qara'ti, and you read. Min kitabiki, from your book. Again, wa qumti wa qara'ti min kitabiki. أمام الطالبات وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطالبات. Let's finish this last line. وبعد الدرس لقيت أصدقائك. وبعد الدرس لقيت, you met. لقيت أصدقائك وتكلمت معهم قليلا. وبعد الدرس لقيت أصدقائك. أصدقاء, those are like male friends. Those are like male friends. And if there were female friends, this is the singular. Okay, look at the singular. Sadiq is masculine. Okay. Or Sadiqa, that's feminine. Okay. So a group of male friends is called asdiqa, and a group of female friends is called sadiqat. Sadiqatiki. Do y'all understand this? You have Sadiq or Sadiqa. Male friends are called Astiqa, but female friends are called Sadiqat. You have Sadiqa, Sadiqat. Those are female friends. So this last line, Barakallahu fikum, it would be Laqiti Sadiqatiki wa takallamti ma'ahunna. Ma'ahunna qalilan. وتكلمت معهن قليلا. وبعد الدرس لقيت صديقاتك وتكلمت معهن قليلا. And let's read from the beginning. This is a drill. We're going to read from Waqafat al-Hafila. We're going to read each sentence 2 times. We're going to read each sentence 2 times, and we're going to take our time. وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. Again. وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. Next line. أنت رفعت يدك في الدرس وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطالبات. Again. أنت رفعت يدك في الدرس وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطالبات. Let's finish it up. وبعد الدرس لقيت صديقاتك وتكلمت معهن قليلا. Again. وبعد الدرس لقيت صديقاتك وتكلمت معهن قليلا. How we doing? How we doing? I have a very small number in class today. We're like -10 today. Allah increase us. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. هو لقي هي لقيت أنا we have to put a sukun on the end, right? لقيت نحن نحن لقينا أنت لقيت. How we doing? You understand? Anti laqiti. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Anti laqiti wahum. Okay, look at whom. Hum laqu. Hum laqu. That's the way you say that. Hum laqu. Because it has a kasra. Laqiya, laqiti, laqiti, laqiti. But when that wow comes there, we can't have a wow and a kasra. It can't mix up. Laqu. Laqio. It's too difficult to have a kasra and a wow come after. So we change that kasra to a dhamma because the dhamma is equivalent to the wow. We say laqu. But it's too difficult to say laqio. Laqio. You know? And there's no hamza to say lucky ooh. It's not lucky ooh, it's lucky oh. And that's not correct in Arabic. So you just change that kasra to that which is equivalent to the wow. Listen, we either have to get rid of the kasra or the wow. We can't get rid of the wow because the wow is indicating to us that it's a group of people. We can't get rid of the wow, but we can get rid of the kasra. You understand? But we have to get rid of one of them, the wow or the kasra. We can't get rid of the wow because it's indicating it's a group of people in the third person. So hum laqu. We understand that. All right. I don't mean to burden you all, but let's read the story one more time. We're going to read each sentence 2 times. Just one more time. We're going to read each sentence 2 times. Okay? وفلقيتي وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. Again. وقفت الحافلة أمام المدرسة ثم نزلت منها ودخلت المدرسة. Next line. أنت رفعت يدك في الدرس وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطالبات. Again. أنت رفعت يدك في الدرس وقمت وقرأت من كتابك أمام الطالبات. Let's finish this last line. وبعد الدرس لقيت صديقاتك وتكلمت معهن قليلا. Again. وبعد الدرس لقيت صديقاتك وتكلمت معهن قليلا. How are we doing? All right, let's move on. We'll move on to the next exercise. Okay, you're going to answer. Is it number 1 or number 2? You had to do this for homework. You had to do this number 1. Let's get straight to work. يا مريم لماذا ما في الدرس أمام الطالبات? Number 1 and number 2. Number 1. Number 1. So let's read it. Read it after me. يا مريم لماذا ما قمت في الدرس أمام الطالبات. Again, يا مريم لماذا ما قمت في الدرس أمام الطالبات. So do you see, like in English, you would say, why didn't you speak? Why didn't you speak? Why didn't you stand? Why didn't you stand? You might put emphasis on that word didn't. And that's how you're going to read it in Arabic. You're going to say, لماذا ما قمت? لماذا ما قمت? You're going to put a little emphasis on the negation, just like you would do in English. نعم. لماذا ما قرأت? نعم. نعم. قرأت. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. يا مريم لماذا ما قرأت في الدرس أمام الطالبات. You might put emphasis on the negation. لماذا ما قرأت. لماذا ما قرأت في الدرس أمام الطالبات. Are y'all with me? And just for clarity. Next one. المسلمون, number 1 or 2. المسلمون, 1 or 2. Number 2. Number 2. And repeat after me. المسلمون قاموا في صلاتهم. المسلمون قاموا في صلاتهم. Number 3. Number 1 or 2. Number 3. Number 1 or 2. نعم. Number 1. نعم. متى نزل المطر من السماء. What does this mean? متى نزل المطر من السماء. What does this mean? When did the rain come down from the sky? All right, so I want you to understand that the plural for matar is amtar. The plural for matar is amtar. Like rains, like heavy rains. Some over the sea, some over in this area, some over in that area, some in the left area, some over in this area. Like rains, different rains. So if it was plural, for example, you would say mata nazalat al-amtar min as-sama. Do you understand that? If it was plural, you say mata nazalat al-amtar. What did the rains fall down from the sky? Are y'all with me? If amtar was plural, if matar was plural, amtar, you would say nazalat. If amtar was plural, like it's different rains. Some are heavy, some are spring, some are in the ocean, some are over the village, some are in the city, some are showers, some are storms, different times. You would say mata nazalatil amtar min as-sama. It's just a benefit for you to understand that. Okay, let's continue. Number 4. Number 1 or 2. Number 4. Ana. Number 4. 1 or 2. Ana. أنا ركبت. Number 2. أنا ركبت الحافلة الكبيرة إلى المستوصف. I rode the big bus to the clinic. المستوصف means clinic. المستوصف means clinic. Mustawsif is a clinic. Number 5. Number 1 or 2. Number 5. 1 or 2. Now, man kharaja min al-bayt al-an. Man kharaja. You can't say man kharajta. Like man means who. Who left from the house now? Who? You can't say who and it's a question and who you left. No, when you're saying who, we don't know who it is. So it has to be third person. Man kharaja. Man kharaja. Number 2. Are y'all with me? Every time you have man, you're going to say man dakhal, man kharaja, man akala, man jalasa, man takallama. It's always going to be huwa. It's always going to be huwa, third person. Ya Khadija, limadha Fatima? Number 1 or 2. This is a trick one. Number 1 or 2. Number 1 or 2. Right. لماذا يا خديجة لماذا فاطمة لبست حجابك؟ لبست. You're calling Khadija, but you're asking about the action of Fatima. And it's third person. لماذا فاطمة لبست حجابك؟ You repeat after me. يا خديجة لماذا فاطمة لبست حجابك؟ طيب. هل سليمة؟ Number 1 or 2. Number 1. هل وضعت سليمة كتابي على الرف? Did Salima put my book on the shelf? Are these sentences understood? Are the sentences understood? All right. هل وضعت سليمة كتابي على الرف? Say number 8. يا يحيى مع من إلى العيادة? Number 1 or 2. Number 1 or 2. مع من ذهبت إلى العيادة? العيادة means clinic. It's another word for clinic. I put both of these words in there so you can know. What does this mean? يا يحيى مع من ذهبت إلى العيادة? العيادة means clinic. What does the sentence mean? Who did you go to the clinic with? With whom did you go to the clinic? Very good. These sentences help to design you to learn how to speak. That's the purpose of these sentences. They're designed to help you. So you have to review your sentences all the time. Review your sentences all the time. Okay, y'all have come a long way. You all have come a long way. May Allah increase you all. Okay. Number 9. At-Tullab. Number 1 or 2. At-Tullab. Number 1 or 2. Very good. Repeat after me. At-Tullab akhadhu kutubahum ma'ahum ila ad-dars. الطلاب أخذوا كتبهم معهم إلى الدرس. Everything clear? Everything's understood, right? Simple sentences. Okay, number 10. Number 10. ذهبنا إلى المستشفى و number 1 or number 2? Now it has to be equal to the first verb. It has to be similar to the first verb. So repeat after me. ذهبنا إلى المستشفى وتكلمنا مع الطبيب. Read this again. I want you to say this word mustashfa. The scene, say mus. Then say mustash. Say tash. Mustashfa. So the scene has a sukoon and the sheen has a sukoon. Take your time. ذهبنا إلى المستشفى. Are y'all with me? The scene has a sukoon and the sheen has a sukoon. Take your time. ذهبنا إلى المستشفى. Okay, look at this word تكلمنا. The lam has a shadda. تكلمنا. Shadda. Stop on the lam and stop on the meme. The lam has a shadda and the meme has a sukoon. تكلمنا. I'm trying to repeat after me. تكلمنا. Don't rush. Just say تكلمنا. تكل. It's تكلمنا. The lamb has a shadda. You're with me. تكلمنا. نعم. So I want you to look at the shadda as if it's two letters. It's like it's two letters. Like it's like ta, kal, lam, na. I mean, visualize it like that. Takel, lam, na. Get rid of that lamb. Like imagine that there's two lambs there. One lamb has a sukoon, and the second lamb has a shad. The second lamb has a fatha. Imagine if there's two lambs. The first lamb is a sukoon, and the second lamb is a fatha. Takel lam na, and that's what a shadda is. A shadda means that there's two letters. Okay, look at this word. The word is shadda. Look at this word. I'm gonna write. Hold on. I'm gonna write a fatha. I'm gonna write a dal with a shadda and a fatha. Okay, and then down here, I'm gonna write a shadda. I'm gonna write a dal with a sukoon, and then a dal with a fatha. These are the same words. Shadda on the top, shadda on the bottom. A shadda is an expression of two letters. The first one is a meaning of two letters. The first letter has a sukoon. The second one has a fatha kasra or dhamma. Shadda. Shadda. And you have to read it like that. So say takallamna. Takallamna. Are you all with me? If somebody doesn't understand, it's okay. Just let me know. Okay? So you have to make that clear. Okay? So let's go back to this one here. I want you to say this nice and clear. ذهبنا إلى المستشفى وتكلمنا مع الطبيب. So these words like mustashfa, you have to take your time. وتكلمنا, you have to take your time. You have to have some type of finesse and sophistication and proficiency in your articulation. Don't just read your Arabic anyway. You have to take your time and articulate. And you have to do it intentionally, not haphazardly. Are you all with me? So take the time now to exaggerate so it becomes natural with you after time. Let's finish this up and we're going to call it a day. Number 11. Number 1 or 2. Ana. Number 1 or 2. Number 1. Number 1. أنا دخلت المسجد قبل الأذان. Again. أنا دخلت المسجد قبل الأذان. I entered the masjid before the adhan. Let's continue. Aisha, number 1 or number 2? Very good. عائشة دخلت البيت بعدك يا زينب. Again. عائشة دخلت البيت بعدك يا زينب. What does this mean? Aisha entered the house after you, right? After you, بعدك, after you. هل, number 1 or number 2? نعم. هل غسلت هذه الأكواب يا صفية؟ هل غسلت هذه الأكواب؟ Why is it هذه? Why did we use هذه? Why we use هذه and not هذا? أكواب is plural. Very good. This is our lesson for today. We're down in the 20s. We were once in the 50s, and then we were once in the 40s. Then we were once in the 30s. All week we're in 35, 36, 37. And today we're 27. Ask Allah to increase y'all be patient. It's a long road. And this is what I say. Right. Motivation is more important than technique. Motivation is more important than technique. The people have the brains to understand, but they don't have the heart to, they become preoccupied. I'm sure they have excuses, no doubt, but very few people stick it in. They have the brains. They even have the love. We have the love for it. But who has the diesel fuel? It takes diesel fuel. It takes ambition. It takes a lot to come every day. The teacher come, and I have it. I studied it. I wrote it. I know it. No, I want it for you. It's a free class. The book is free. The class is free. I record it. I put it out. I post it. But it's only for who Allah gives it to. May Allah bless us and make it easy. This is where we stop. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. I don't have any link. Hold on 1 second. We have hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. You're not dealing with the biggest technology person here. Okay, let me see what we have here. That's YouTube, and I think we have one on. All right, there we go. No, it's not from years ago. We have all our classes. It's from years ago. Allah musta'an. All these classes, we have to class number 63. 63 classes is all posted there. All right, this is the new list. 63 classes. We're in. MashaAllah. May Allah make it easy. All right. This is where we're going to stop today. No, that's my duty. Alhamdulillah, that's my duty.